Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Binta and thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So today's video I have a special tool that I want to share with you guys, and I have been using this tool for a while now, and today I just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, and it is nothing but this blackhead vacuum remover, blackhead remover vacuum. So we're gonna be vacuuming our skin. We're gonna be vacuuming your skin today with this little tool. I have been using this for a while, so I lost my box. Yeah, I lost my box because I've been using it, so I threw the box away. But hey, this thing is so amazing and I just wanted to share with you guys, you know. And that's how it came. It came with this head on it, and I decided to use that same head because I like the results of that one. But then it also came with some extra heads like that, like so. I think it's 4 extra heads, so whichever one you want to use, you can go ahead and use it. You have like the big one and you have a smaller head, and you have a medium one here. Again, you have another big one. So this one on the tool is a little smaller than the other one, so I want to use this one. I like this one better. But yeah, so I'm just gonna jump right into this video and stop blabbing. Yeah, so the very first thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna steam my face. Okay, so I have this steamer here from Amazon, which no, this is not from Amazon. Is it from eBay? It's either from eBay or Amazon, but I really like this steamer. It's from the brand Okachi. I think it's Okachi Clear. I hope that's the way they pronounce it. But yeah, and I so much love it. It comes with a mirror. Love, love, love the steamer. If you don't have a steamer, you can go ahead and steam your face like the old traditional way. So yeah, you can go ahead and boil some water, and after the water is boiled, bend your head over it, you know, and steam your face. But I'm not gonna go through all that because I have this. I'm gonna use this. Another thing you can do is, instead of going through steaming your face, you can go ahead and use this right after a hot shower, because all the steam from the shower is enough to get ready to use this. So the reason why we steam our face before using this, or before removing your blackheads in any way, whether it's the vacuum or your hands or something, is because it makes it easier for the blackheads to be extracted from the skin, because the pores are soft. You know, your skin is soft and a little fragile, so anything on it can easily come out. So it's for easy extraction. Just so you know, if you're wondering why you have to steam your face, it is very important to steam your face before using this tool. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and steam my face. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some water here, and yeah, I'll steam my face. By the way, you also have to plug this. I just plugged it into an outlet. I added some water in there, and I'm gonna open the lid and turn it on. So this takes a minute to start releasing the steam, so you guys will see the steam coming out in about a minute or two. Yeah, it's starting to boil. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can hear it. Oh. Alright guys, so the steam is coming out. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks so cute. Oh. So it comes out like that. Ooh, look at that. So this is why I get this thing. It's just easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and steam my face and stop talking. Another thing I like doing is concentrated on my T-zone, because that's where all my blackheads are. Alright guys, so my face is steamed enough. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Alright, so wow, that was good. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this immediately, and I'm not gonna dry my face because it's a lot easier when your face is moist than when you have dry face. So yeah, we're gonna turn this on, and I'm gonna put it on number 5. That's the highest speed. I like that. Alright guys, another thing is that you don't want to leave this on one spot for a very long time because this makes your skin red. As you guys can see, my skin is already getting red, but that will go away within like few minutes. So yeah, my T-zone is usually my problem area. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay guys, this is so gross, but I'm gonna have to show you guys so you guys can see the results, okay? Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at that. Can you guys see that, all that gunk inside? Like right here. Ew, ew. This is so gross. I need to take something and, you know, take it out so I can show you guys. Oh, I need a Q-tip now. Ew, look at that. Uh-oh. Look at that. That's what it looks like. Can you see that? Guys, this is real. It's real. Yes. My nose is already clean. I'm gonna do my chin as well because I have a lot of blackheads, whiteheads there too. It's a little painful though, but not too painful. I am done. That's all I'm gonna be doing. My T-zone is my problem area, like the center of my face. That is my problem area, and shoot, this is so gross but satisfying at the same time, because anytime I see this gunk out of my face, I just feel so satisfied. I feel happy, and I know that my skin is clean and clear. Did you guys see that? And that one on the paper, can you guys see that? You can see that. Oh my god. Yeah, so okay, so that is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face with water and wipe it clean. And doing this before you put your makeup on also is a good idea, because it'll just make your makeup smooth when you have clean skin. Alright guys, that's what I look like. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you guys can see how red my face looks right now. Can you guys see how red I look? So this is the main reason why you don't want to just leave it onto one spot for like few seconds. You just move it, you know, let it move, because that's gonna make your face red. But it does come off just within few minutes, so that shouldn't be a problem. But yeah, my face looks so clean. Let me zoom you guys in so you guys can see those pores. Do you guys see that? See how huge my pores looks right now because I used this. So yeah, all I have to do is I'm just gonna go wash my face with some cold water so my pores can go back to normal. But yeah, I like it. It looks really clean. And yeah, so that will be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me your comments down below if you have any questions. So remember, I'm gonna leave a link down below where you can get one of these, and I'm also gonna leave a link down below for the steamer in case you're interested. And yeah, till I see you in my next one. Bye.